Hey guys, today we're going to be hanging out with the Creeps Car Club. 1, 2, 3. Hey guys, today I'm doing something I've wanted to do for a long time. I got an invite out to the Creeps Car Club. They're a hot rod car club that does a lot of different really cool styles of vehicles, like the T-Bucket over here. Different stuff that's just custom fabrication, all sorts of cool stuff. You may have seen them at places like World of Wheels or Viva East. They actually go a lot of different places. We were just talking about doing shows in Canada, doing stuff in Ohio. So these guys are all around and they're really a really friendly group. So I can't wait to go over the stuff with you, show you some of their rides. This is what a real club is like, guys. It's something that I've tried to really capture, the hot rod mentality. The cool thing about these guys is, you know, they're not about just being themselves. They love sharing with people. They love sharing with other car clubs and in the car community, especially when you're hot rods. These guys are really friendly. I love hanging out with them. And this is the first time I've actually got to come out to one of their meets where they're doing some build projects and putting some stuff together and really just being friends and hanging out. So this is going to be really exciting. I'm trying to capture everything for you guys and share it with you so you can see everything that I see. It may take more than one visit, who knows, and every time I get a visit here I'm going to accept it. So so check this out. You guys are going to have a lot of fun. So these guys are building this car for the Heart Rodders, and the plan for the Heart Rodders is it's a support of Boston Children's Hospital. So they're going to get this car, they're going to build it, put it all together. When they're done, they're going to raffle it off. That'll be next year. I'm going to put the link in here so you guys can see it and follow them if you want. And what'll happen is this is going to get raffled off, and it's going to support Children's Hospital. So really awesome cause. There's so many people that are coming together to put this together. It's just amazing to see. Those tools. We had a really interesting day today, put some stuff together, saw some of the cool project that these guys are doing, and it is amazing stuff. I came out today just to hang out with some guys, and I ended up supporting a project that I think is really noble. I think that's something that you see with a lot of these car clubs around here that really support each other. I mean, with this right here, everybody's getting together to help out and be a part of a project that helps all the positive things in our car community, and it can't be overstated. So thank these guys for having me out. Thanks for showing me some of the projects, showing me some stuff that I really didn't know about, some of the frames and the body work and stuff like that. Wish I could stay around to see the whole thing, but it's obviously not going to be a one-day process. They're going to be selling tickets for the raffle for this. It'll take a year for this whole thing to get together, but it's going to be worth the wait. Somebody's going to drive away with a really cool car. We're going to have everything on here and in the description, so if you want to be a part of this, I'm sure people can show off their support in totally different ways, and these guys are totally open to it. So thank you guys for having me. Thanks. Don't forget to watch these other videos. So we're going to be on the search for the next project car. And as always, guys, don't forget to drive.